Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to explore some of the most unusual and bizarre places to visit in Europe. The Museum of Torture, Amsterdam, Netherlands. Our first stop takes us to the Museum of Torture in Amsterdam, Netherlands. This museum showcases the cruel and unusual punishments and tortures used throughout history, including the rack, Iron Maiden, and guillotine. It's definitely not for the faint of heart, but it's a unique and unforgettable experience. The Sedlec Ossuary, Kutna Hora, Czech Republic. Next up, we have the Sedlec Ossuary in Kutna Hora, Czech Republic. This small chapel is decorated with over 40,000 human bones, including a chandelier made entirely of human skulls. It's a haunting and beautiful tribute to the deceased, and a must-see for any history or architecture buffs. The Chapel of Bones, Évora, Portugal. This chapel is decorated with the bones of over 5,000 monks, including a complete skeleton hanging from the ceiling. It's a macabre and unique sight that's both haunting and beautiful. The Hellfire Caves, West Wickham, England. For something truly mysterious and strange, check out the Hellfire Caves in West Wickham, England. These caves were used by a secret society called the Hellfire Club for their meetings and debauchery, and are rumored to be haunted. It's a fascinating and bizarre historical site that's sure to intrigue and amaze. The Catacombs of Paris, France. This underground ossuary contains the bones of over 6 million people and spans over 200 miles. It's a creepy and fascinating glimpse into the history of Paris and the lives of those who lived there. Just be prepared for the narrow tunnels and eerie atmosphere. The Museum of Broken Relationships, Zagreb, Croatia. This museum showcases objects and stories of failed relationships from around the world. Visitors can see everything from humorous to heartbreaking items such as love letters, wedding dresses, and stuffed animals. The Skull Chapel, Czermna, Poland. This small chapel is decorated with the skulls and bones of over 3,000 people, arranged into chandeliers, altars, and other intricate designs. It was built in the 18th century by a local priest who wanted to remind people of their mortality. The Museum of Witchcraft and Magic, Boscastle, England. This museum is dedicated to the history of witchcraft and magic. It features displays of magical artifacts, potions, and spells, as well as information on the persecution of witches throughout history. The Museum of Funeral Carriages, Barcelona, Spain. This museum showcases a collection of ornate funeral carriages from the 18th and 19th centuries. Each carriage is unique in its style and design, and visitors can learn about the cultural significance of funeral processions. The Torture Museum, Prague, Czech Republic. This museum explores the brutal methods of torture used throughout history, including the Iron Maiden, the rack, and the thumbscrew. Visitors can learn about the history of torture and its role in justice and punishment. So there you have it, some of the most unusual and bizarre places to visit in Europe. Which one of these places do you want to visit the most? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content.